Guys, Art Flipper 22, and today we're gonna do algodecathlon day 3. So yesterday we finally got to move our trampoline, and our trampoline is not even there anymore. Okay, come on, phone. This is the best I can record. Not there anymore, and it was moved over by the sand pit. Run over there. Here. Oops. There it is. And yeah, that's what happened to our trampoline. And, well, anyways, what was it? Okay, my mom went to college, is in college right now, and she is actually going to be, taking her midterm thing. And she was late, so, you know. But yeah, anyways, let's just get started. Last time, Julie got first and moved all the way up to first by like 10 points, though. And Teddy got eliminated and was turned into soup. Well, today's event is bowling. It's like a little midget bowling alley. It's really cute. Ready? Wow. All right. It's going to be difficult for these athletes. Anyways, let's get started, shall we? All right, guys. So we're going to actually do music this time. Our first, where's the marker? There's no marker. Alright, hold on. Alright, we're back. But that looks like nothing happened, but, alright, anyways, ooh, alright. Well, I found a different Sharpie, but it'll work. Alright, first up is Julie, since she's first. And I have to pause it again. Just hold on. And we're back. Alright. This song is called Extruller Supernova by Extruller, of course. But here it is. Alright guys, next song is, crap. The next song is Cry by Extruder as well. Here it is. This is kind of dubstep, don't you think? Alright guys, so there's a lot of tiebreakers. There's 2 firsts, seconds, thirds, fourths, and sixths. So for first, it's either Billy or Snowball. They're actually at the bottom. So here's Billy. I'm just going to use my voice now. Oh wow, Billy, you suck. Alright, 2. Awesome. So Billy got a 2. Don't think Billy will get first this round. But Snowball might fail. Never know. Oh, wait a second. Oh, no, Snowball definitely won. I think Snowball won a little bit. Oh, gosh. But yeah, that was their tiebreaker. The next tiebreaker round is Mr. Carrots and McGurmit. First up will be McGurmit. You ready, McGurmit? Yeah, okay. Wow, 1. And second ball. Ooh. Well, actually, I'm sorry guys, but I think I did 1 for both of those. So, 1 for McGurmit. Alright guys, Mr. Carrots gets 1. Alright then. McGurmit goes again. Wow. So Mr. Carrots has to be in a 9. Alright guys, so I did the bowling thing. You gotta trust me on this one because it would have, I wouldn't be able to upload this video because it was gonna take too slow. So I just did it off camera. So here were the scores. That's first, by the way. Snowball got first. And then that's first to last on the overall. So yeah. Oh crap, I forgot something. Hold on. Alright, now I'm back. It's probably way off. So, basically, first place is Jolie. Yeah, there. Puck went all the way down to 7th place. And then Easter egg. So, the person in the Easter egg is... I can never open these. Okay, hold on. I go like this. Oh no. Okay, there. Person in the Easter egg is Apache. Apache has 250. She still sucked. She basically sucked on the last one, and then this one she sucked at, which caused her fall in the elimination. It's time to turn her into soup. Yay! Sorry, Apache. No. I don't even know if you can fit in your bowl. You're too fat. I'm not fat. I'm a horse. Soup. Oop. Yeah. Go, Apache. Go, Apache. Go. Go Apache. Alright. Anyways, I'm going to close the Easter egg for next elimination. So anyways, that is all the time we have for this video. So, Apache, we have a question. Will my favorite get eliminated? Hopefully not. Billy never actually stopped being ugly. But now I haven't seen him for a while. It's kind of adorable. Anyways, will Puck rise again? Find out next time on Stuffed Animal algodecathlon. And have a wonderful tomorrow. Have a great day. Have a wonderful tomorrow. And don't forget about the cheese, please.